Hey there, my name is Matikaide Victor, and in this video I want to show you how to upload a product on your vendor dashboard. The first thing you need to do is to click on add new product on the menu. On the add new products page, the first thing the form will ask you is what is the name of the product. So I've already prepared the information I want to add for this product. I advise you that before you add any product, you first prepare the information or the images you need before you start adding them on this form. So I'm just going to copy and paste the title of the product I want to add. So the name of this product I'm adding is Gen Africa short sleeves Ankara tops for men, black. So once I'm done, I click out of the input box, then I click on next. Then the next thing is to write a short description. This will help the customers understand the product at a glance. You are required to write a comprehensive short description about the product. So copy and pasting that in. Then click out, then click on next. On the step 3, you are expected to write a comprehensive description, a detailed information about the product. So for this, I'm just going to copy and paste the already prepared information about the product. Then I click on next. On the step 4, you have to decide if the product has variations or not. Variation might mean the product has different colors, different sizes. So for default now, for this version, for the version of Ekioja now, we only support products without variation. So click on no, then next. Getting to this step 5 on the form, it's very important you pay attention to this red highlighted text. This red highlighted text that here is a checklist of things you must add for you to proceed. So the first thing is you have to put in your asking price, so the amount you want to sell on the platform. For this, I'm going to put an asking price of 10,000 naira. On the second field, you see a regulated price. This is the price you should go for on the marketplace, on the Ekioja marketplace. So Ekioja charges 1% of your asking price. If you want to enable discount on this product, you can click on the enable discount button, but I'm not going to do that in this video. So as you notice, the asking price on this list has disappeared. So the next thing it's telling me to add is I must select a category. So once you click on select category, this product falls under clothing and fashion. Immediately you must select a category. Text disappeared. So the next thing is we need to add a dimension unit. So you notice on the tabs here that some are required while some are not. The inventory, you might not need to touch that, but if you want to enable stock management on the product level and you want to change the stock status, you can do that from here. The next tab here is the shipping, which is required. Reason why it's required is because the logistics, the dispatchers need this information to be able to predict what they're about to deliver. They need this information so that they'll be able to plan out how to deliver the product to the customer. So you can select the dimension unit. Here I'm going to be using millimeter. The length of the product, I will advise you that if when you're packaging your product, use the size of the packaging for the dimensions. It's not necessarily the size of the product itself. So if you are selling clothes, once you fold the clothes into the package, measure the size of the packaging. Even though if it's paper packaging or plastic bag packaging, just measure the size of the packaging so that the dispatchers will know what they're about to deliver. So here I'm going to make the length to be 100 millimeter. I'm going to make the breadth to be 50 millimeter. I'm going to make the height to be 15 millimeter. The width, I'm going to choose kg. I'm going to make it 0.01 kg. Now the last thing on the checklist is you must add at least one image on the product. So before we get there, let's go to the attributes tab. On this attributes tab, you can give a more detailed information about the product. So for this product now, I can put the material. So I can say the material is made of Ankara. I can add another specification. I can say the color of this material is brown, and I can say the gender for this material or this product is for male only. It's not required, but you definitely add more information to your product. So I advise you to always add attributes to your products, and you are limited to only 5 attributes. On the images tab, which is required, you must add at least one image. So click on this upload image icon. Once you click on it, the model pops up. Then you can drag and drop your image or select your image. Here I'm going to be selecting this image. So you wait for the image to load. Once the image loads up, you can add the second image. So you can only add 4 images to any product upload. So once that's done, you can now proceed to the next step. Here you can promote your product. You can select between the 3 plans. If you are not interested in promoting your product now, you can click on continue. Once that's done, once everything checks out, you can then click on submit. You wait for the form to submit. Once the product has been added successfully, it will direct you back to the products page where you can sell your product. As you can see, this is the new product I just added. This is the category, the price. The product is in stock and currently is under review, and you can see it was added a few seconds ago. So you can edit the product after uploading, you can delete the product after uploading, and you can view and promote the product. Let me click on view so that you can see it, how it looks like on the marketplace. So here we can see the category, we can see the title, we can see the price. If we scroll down, we can see the description. This is the short description here. This is the first thing the customer we see once this first get to the product page. You can see the specification of the product. For now, this product doesn't have any review. Customers can click and zoom in into the material, into the product image. Thank you guys for viewing this video. Peace out.